We talk about success the whole time, but what is success? What's success for you? When I post this online, many people are telling me, yeah, but depends on what you define as success. So, let's read what success means.
This is Success. Yes or yes. All about succeeding in life, career, and anything in between.
So, according to the dictionary, success is the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. Period. If you have a goal and you achieve it, you're successful. That's it. Be it in money, be it in career, be it in your love life, your body goals, whatever. You can have goals for every aspect of your life. Actually, you should. Ideally, you should have a goal for every aspect, spiritual, if you believe in that, or self-growth, a mental state. Yeah, you can apply even if you don't believe in supernatural. Body goals, health, fitness, health goals, love life, how you have relationships with your loved ones, with your couple, with your parents, with your friends. Maybe you have goals of how, maybe your goal will be, I want to go to watch a movie once a month with my mother. So if you go to watch a movie once a month with your mother, ding, you achieved success. That's it. It's as simple as that. So me, I have goals, giant goals for me, or at least now they seem like giant goals. Every morning I look at the mirror and I say, I have $10 million, I have 10 million followers, and I have the body of Captain America. Yes. Today I did 200 push-ups so far. And today I collected rent for my real estate in Spain. So good. And today I gained followers online because I'm kind of going a little viral with the followers of this new TV series I'm in. So I should say today is good because I moved forward in all my 3 main goals. I didn't achieve it yet, but it's important to celebrate the wins. Every baby step counts. If you take 100 baby steps, 1,000 baby steps, at the end you're gonna reach to your goal, right? You're gonna hit success. So every milestone is also a success. Every baby step, every progress is to be celebrated. Give yourself a pat on the back and enjoy. You can even give yourself a prize when you achieve certain milestone. For example, my money milestones, I already achieved the last one, which was $50,000 net worth. I'm going to the next one, which is $70,000 net worth. So when I achieve it, maybe I should go out for a 6 hands massage. I like massage. Maybe I should treat my family and friends for dinner. I do that a lot. When there's something to celebrate, I just tell them, come over, I'm treating. Why are you treating? I'll tell you during the dinner. And then when the dinner goes on, of course they're all curious, and I'm very happy to share with my loved ones my success. And I want them to be proud. I still am a little dependent on external validation, which you shouldn't apply that to yourself. But hey, I'm happy for myself, I'm proud of myself, and I want to share it with others. And that gives me a dopamine hit and a celebration, and it makes me want to achieve more and fight more for the next thing next time. Does this make any sense to you? Let me know. This is also a conversation. Comment and let me know. By the way, this is a new channel, so please subscribe and like, and hit the notifications button. It's very important, so we'll appear and higher in the ranks of the social media channel. And also, this might be very helpful for someone who's lost in the darkness and needs some motivation and needs the courage to take the next step. As one of my mentors here in the wall says, virtual mentors, Dan Peña, he says, just fucking do it, okay? Just do it. Stop thinking so much. Start doing things. start taking the next baby step. Baby step, baby step. If you take 1,000 baby steps, you're gonna hit the goal or not? Yes, 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 yes. So it's just about time. It might take you 1 year, 10 years. Depends on you. Depends on how many baby steps you take. Maybe in one day, you can take 3 baby steps. Maybe in 1 month, you can take 1 baby step. I don't know. It depends on you. If it's a financial goal, what can you do to speed up the process? But the important thing is you already have a path. You already know where you're going. So the important thing is the focus. Yeah, you have your focus and you move towards the next milestone. That's all you have to worry. You don't have to worry about the 10 million. You only have to worry about the next milestone. For example, $70,000. Yeah, net worth. I don't have $70,000 in the bank. Don't ask me for money. I'm always broke because I'm always pursuing the next goal. Yeah, so there. I happen to have all this followers sending me messages. That's why I do this video, because I want to encourage and teach that success is the product of hard work and effort. It doesn't happen overnight. I'm very challenged. I'm an ADHD person. It's harder for me than for most of people out there. Still, I fight for it. It's harder. I have less focus than other people. But I decided I'm going for my goals, and I want to be a superhuman, and I want to be a high achiever. So if I want to be all those things, I have to do the things that other people do to be successful as well. So that's another trick you can have to be successful. You can model, you can mimic the behavior of whoever you want to become. Say you want to become Michael Phelps, the swimmer, yeah? So what does Michael Phelps eat? What does he post about? How many hours does he train? What is his training? What does his training look like? Does he swim 100 meters every day before 7 a.m.? Before breakfast? What does he do? So if you you break it down, you make a list, and you see exactly what he does, then you just have to copy it. Maybe you'll achieve 70% of what he's achieving. Yeah, not 100%. You have to find your own way. But definitely, if you do exactly the same things that someone who's already successful and did before you to achieve the same goal that you want to achieve, logic tells us we're gonna get to the same place. Yeah? Let's put it in a very simple way. If my goal is to go there to the kitchen, yeah? And I don't know how to go to the kitchen, and I dream of going to the kitchen. I know it's a very simplistic example, but yeah, stay here with me. I want to go to the kitchen. I don't know how. I'm scared of it. It's dark. I think, who went to the kitchen before me? Oh, my girlfriend went to the kitchen before me. So what did she do to get there? She stood up from the bed. She walked towards the switch, the light switch. So she turned on the light, and then she wasn't scared, and she stepped into the kitchen. Okay, for example, that's it, yeah? She took 3 steps. 3 steps, yeah? So I broke it down. I don't have a giant goal of going to the kitchen, which is scary because I don't know how, and it seems like very far. Now I have 3 steps. So I only have to focus on number 1, yeah? I only have to focus on step number 1, which was she had to get out of the bed, step up, turn on the light of the kitchen, and then finally move her legs until the kitchen. Okay, those are the 3 steps. So what do I have to focus on? Step number 1, which is stand up. Stand up, yeah? Get out of the bed, get out of the chair, stand up. That's step number 1. When I already achieved that, that's when I think of step number 2. You don't have to think of step number 2 and number 3 or the goal, and you only have to think of the milestones. Get my point? Yes? Is it easy? Is it hard? Am I coming across clearly? Am I explaining myself? Sometimes I go over and I don't explain myself. Yeah. Well, I have 3 definitions of success here. According to Google, I just Googled this. So it says the attainment of popularity or profit. Well, that's a definition of success for many people. That includes me. For some aspects, money means success, fame means success, but also happiness means success. If you are happy and you don't have money and you're just reading a book and fishing and you're happy, you won in life. That's success. That is success. Yeah. And if you are like many people that view success in terms of fame and money, well, that can be your metric. Whatever your metric is, that's good. Yeah. Follow your heart. There. Third definition is a person or thing that achieves desired aims or attains prosperity. That's it. Achieving your goal, it's the same. Yeah? Achieves desired aims. If you have an aim, see? You aim. Before you shoot, you didn't achieve success. After you shoot and you hit the target, then you achieve success. So, you aim. Now, see? There's 3 steps. Aim, shoot, and if you achieve success, you won already, you're successful. If you're not, you go back to step number 1. Aim again, and then shoot again. Yeah? Until you hit. Aim better. What did you fail with? What could you improve in your aiming and your shooting so your output is better next time? See, are you getting me? It's easy. It's simple. It's very simple. Yeah? Go back to step 1. Do some modifications. Don't do the same thing. Because if you do the same thing, you'll get the same result. Pure logic, yeah? You would be crazy if you think you're gonna do something and you're gonna get the same thing and you're gonna get a different result. So, what failed? What can I improve? What can I test? Maybe you don't know how to improve it, but what can you do different and measure? This is scientific method, trial and error. Try a little different, aiming and then shooting, and see the result. Yeah? Experiment, do science. All right. Subscribe. This is the next video you have to watch. This is the subscribe button. Love you. See ya.
This is Success. Yes or Yes. All about succeeding in life, career, and anything in between.